Hi you. I know you've been looking on your phone and waiting for this video. I am so happy to have you back here. It is warming my heart to see you coming back for another video. Today we are going to be talking about what is going on with Jamaica, because I'm sure you heard that the Prime Minister made a new announcement for June 2021, and I am here to give you the tea on all that is Jamaica, traveling to our beautiful island, and what you should know before booking your flight. So if you're interested in watching that, then stay tuned. So welcome back to another video. We are here today to talk about all that is Jamaica, traveling to Jamaica 101, what you need to know before booking your flight, and all that good stuff. So as I said before, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, our governing body, decided that they're going to make a new announcement.
As far as the Ministry of Health is concerned and the Cabinet of Jamaica is concerned, we are still under the Disaster Risk Management Act as it relates to the management of the pandemic. And I want that to be clearly understood. The government, more than any other entity, more than any other agency, has a duty to ensure that the Disaster Risk Management Act is observed not only in words, but also in the actions that we take.
So you know I have to come on here to give you guys the tea on all that is the new update. I also want to tell you that I have a May 2021 update, which is more detailed. It has to still do with what I'm going to talk about, but I go into depth and go into all the nitty-gritty of the COVID protocols and what Jamaica is doing to protect themselves and protect you guys, because you're the most important. Sure that you click on that real quick. I'll have it up here and down in the description so you don't miss a beat, and make sure that when you go there you come right back so you get all the updates going forward, because this is a whole new set of stuff that you need to know before booking your flight. If you have already watched May 2021 and you want the update, let me start. One is that all tourist attractions are open. Yes guys, they flew the coop on the tourist attractions, so make sure that you put everything in your itinerary. You can go to sleep when you reach back to the US or wherever part that you came from. Make sure that you explore all that Jamaica has to offer, because all tourist attractions are open. I am sincerely sorry for those who came before June 3rd, because June 3rd was when the Prime Minister made the announcement of the new COVID protocol, and that did not include tourist attractions last time you came. But if you are booking your flight after June 3rd, which is probably now, I am happy to report that tourist attractions are open. So everything that you could possibly think of, make sure that you write that down in your itinerary and go explore without doubt, without fail. So the second thing that I am most excited to include in this update is that all beaches, rivers and water bodies are open. I am so excited, like I don't even know if I can contain myself, because it has been a long time coming. All the beaches and rivers are now open. They have been closed for quite some time, and if you weren't booking a hotel, you were only allowed to go to the beaches that were privately owned, and you have to pay a pretty penny to go in. But now all free, local and in between beaches are open and ready to welcome you, me and everyone, tourist and local alike. Everything is right with the world once more. And go off the beaten path and you'll find some awesome hidden gems. So remember, beaches and rivers are open. You can see how excited I am, because so 3, you have curfew hours. So before, in the May 2021 update, you had a stricter time. Now Prime Minister has said that curfew hours is from Monday to Friday 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. the next morning. On Saturday, you have curfew starting at 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. and on Sunday it remains 2 p.m. to 5 a.m. the next morning. So you guys have an extra couple of hours to make the most of it. I mean, there's a grace period of like 30 minutes, but please just abide by the curfew laws, because if the police come lock you up, can't tell you that Lexi said that you have a grace period and then you can be outside during curfew hours and be fine. Puss and dog don't have the same luck, so just abide by the curfew hours. If you have a whole day filled with activities, just make sure that you schedule in traveling time to reach home or reach your family's dwelling or your Airbnb or your hotel at a time that is reasonable and well before curfew. In the talking of curfew, we are going to talk about quarantine. I went into detail in the May 2021 video, so if you want to find out more about quarantine and all that good stuff in terms of if you can go to weddings, if you can go to funerals, if you can go on public transportation, etc., then just check that out. But in addition to that, if you are fully vaccinated, they have limited the word, I'm going to say limited. They have limited the time period from 14 days to 8 days. But if you only have a negative COVID test, then you kinda still have to be quarantined for 14 days. You can still move around, but you can't do certain things, which again I spoke at length with my May 2021 update. So go check that out and come back. So all these things are tying in because I'm going to talk about COVID tests. There are different COVID tests that you can take, and you need a negative COVID test in order to come to Jamaica or come anywhere. Once you have to travel and book a flight, you need to show a negative COVID test, and it has to be 3 days, no later or older than 3 days, and it has to be negative. It has to be negative. Can't stress that enough. Negative COVID test. You can do it at airports if you are such a last minute person, but these are the various COVID tests that you can do. Google it, but I'm not going to talk long on it. So yeah, there are quite a bit of them, as I stated. Yeah, the final thing I'm going to talk about and reiterate is the official website for all things pandemic and all things traveling to Jamaica, www.visitjamaica.com/travel authorizations. You can get all the information. I will put it in the description box, and you can't say I didn't tell you, because all the things I said, all the updates I did, it just encompasses everything, and you will not miss a beat if you go through the website thoroughly. They have everything from the COVID testing, booking the flight, making sure that you're safe, to when you have to go back to your country of residence. So all the processes, all the information you need, everything is on the website, so check it out, right? Have all the information so you can be safe. So guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you're booking your flight and you are more comfortable with doing so, you feel safe doing so, and you are just ready to make the most of Jamaica and enjoy yourself to the fullest. I love to see our family growing, so if you are new, please subscribe to our channel so you can join the family. Stay tuned for the next video. I am so happy that you stayed for this long. I will see you next time. Bye.